Tired of your current host's slow speeds and hidden fees? You want to migrate to Namecheap without losing your data or breaking your site. Let me show you how to do it in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through Namecheap's free migration tool. Just follow these 9 simple steps to get your site moved safely. Start by opening up Namecheap's website. Go ahead and pull that up in your browser right now. Now, find the option that says Transfer to Us. It's usually right there in the main navigation bar. Click on that. Once you're on that page, look for the option that says Migrate Hosting. You'll want to click that one. All right, here's where the actual migration starts. Click on Step 1, Current Account Details. This is where you'll enter your existing host's information. Namecheap needs to know where your site currently lives so they can fetch everything over. Now type in the highlighted fields. This is usually going to be your cPanel username or your hosting account username, along with the password. Don't worry if this information feels a little sensitive. That's totally normal. Just make sure you have your current host's login credentials handy. And here's the really important part. Click on Step 2, Allow Us Access. This gives Namecheap temporary permission to log into your current hosting account and copy everything over. They're not going to change anything on your old host. They just need to read your files and database so they can move them. Now, let's move to Step 3, Namecheap Hosting Requirements. This section is your checklist. They'll show you what kind of hosting plan you need on Namecheap's end to make the migration work. Take a quick look at this to make sure everything lines up before you proceed. Before you submit anything, you'll see a notice about their support ticket system being protected by SSL encryption. This is their way of saying all the credentials you just entered are safe and secure. It's good to acknowledge that and know your information is protected. When you're ready, go ahead and click Move My Hosting. That's it. You've just submitted your migration request. Namecheap will take it from here and handle the heavy lifting on their end. And look at that. You've successfully initiated your hosting migration. No stress, no broken sites, just a clear path to a faster, more reliable host. You've got this.